So it was just a dream after all?
What's wrong, Peppa? Peppa smiles, relieved it was just a dream. But as she turns away, the glass trembles again. Maybe it's not over yet. Mummy Pig had to go out for some business.
I have to go out for a while. Please handle your own meals, everyone.
Okay.
Goodbye, Mummy Pig.
Goodbye.
Daddy Pig, Peppa, and George had to prepare their own meal. And the hilarious and exciting story begins.
Oh, no.
We will go to restaurant.
Yay! Yay!
The three rushed out happily, only to find a sign saying, closed today.
Could you please deliver this order to my home?
A few moments later.
Thank you very much!
Daddy!
Peppa searched the bookshelf and found a book called Cooking for People Who Can't Cook. She handed it to Dad, and the trio bravely entered the kitchen. Peppa accidentally used a bottle of laxative instead of sugar.
Let's go wash our hands.
Oh my God! Peppa! You mixed up the laxative with the cake ingredients!
Should we tell Mom the truth?
I don't think so, my dear.
Mommy!
I apologize because I secretly ate the cake meant for you and the kids.
If it weren't for Mom Pig, we'd be fighting over the toilet right now.
Mummy Pig has a very fruitful apple orchard, and she diligently takes care of it every day.